Welcome back. Today we're showing you how to restore weathered teak outdoor furniture to its former glory. This beautiful teak chair has lost its vibrant color and turned gray over time. For this restoration project, we'll use several products to get the job done. These include Gator Speed Sheets on a Speed Sheet Sander, a MicroZip Sander, Super Sponges, and Pro Select sanding sheets. We'll also use these products: Varathane Wood Fill Sticks and Watco Teak Oil one-step finish. Let's get started. We'll begin by tackling the chair's flat surfaces using speed sheets on the Speed Sheet Sander. When sanding down to bare wood, start with 80 or 100 grit. We are using 80 grit to remove the weathered layer. Always sand with the grain of the wood to achieve that smooth finish. Swap out sheets as needed. The premium hook and loop backing makes it easy to replace the sheets if necessary. Next, we'll move on to the rounded areas, like the arms, rails, and post tops. For these, we're using the 80 grit Super Sponge. It's flexible and fits comfortably in your hand, perfect for working around curves and intricate details. Keep sanding until you expose the fresh, untouched wood underneath. Now let's tackle the seat, which can be tricky to sand because of the multiple hard-to-reach slats. We have two great options here. First is the compact MicroZip Sander, which makes getting to all the flat surfaces easier. You can also use sanding sheets like the Gator Pro Select. We've cut these 9x11 sheets down to size for this project. With reinforced backing and superior flexibility, you'll be able to reach all sides of these chair slats. Remember to clean up all that dust once you've sanded the entire chair. Vacuum thoroughly to remove all the particles, especially from the deep grain, so they don't interfere with finishing. Now that the wood is bare, it's time to fix any imperfections. If you notice any holes or cracks in the wood, use Varathane Wood Fill Sticks. The wax-based formula quickly fills in nail holes and scratches. Be sure to match the wood to the closest stick color and test it on a hidden area first to check for a match. After applying, use a 5-in-1 painter's tool to scrape off any excess. We now need to prepare the wood before applying teak oil. We recommend using 120 grit sandpaper and working your way up to 180. We're using a super sponge here to get that even, smooth surface. Now, we begin applying the Watco Teak Oil one-step finish. The teak oil penetrates deep into the wood's pores to create the rich, warm glow of a hand-rubbed finish. We're using a roller brush to apply generously, but you can also use a rag or foam brush. Be sure to wipe off any excess with a clean rag. Let the first coat dry for about 30 minutes before reapplying. Once the first coat has dried, it's time to scuff sand with a 320 grit Super Sponge. This aluminum oxide sponge sands 5 times faster than regular sponges, resulting in a smooth surface that's quickly ready for a second coat. We recommend applying a second teak oil coat for enhanced UV and moisture protection. Wait 15 minutes for full penetration, then wipe the surface. If you use your chair indoors, it should be completely dry in 8 to 10 hours. And just like that, this old weathered teak chair looks brand new. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to tell us what project you'd like to see next.